Broken kid, broken kid. What's going on, broken kid?
Good day, guys. As you all know me as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So today I just want to welcome you all inside my YouTube channel. As we all know, we are about to start a new beginning, you know. So it's gonna be a long drive, So I need most of you to stay focused because I'm gonna tell you a lot of secrets and a lot of good things, So today I just want to teach you how to scalp the market. So when you're scalping the market, you don't actually have to look for a lot of things. I know there's like structures, you need to go to the bigger time frame and stuff. No, you're scalping the market, remember. Yes, the structures are too important, but then now I'm teaching you how to scalp the market, how to actually spot the good opportunities to make money for that moment. Remember, you're not holding, you're just scalping the market. So in South Africa, we have like most of the scalpers than most of the swing traders. I don't know if it's fear or what, but then like don't be surprised when they start scalping the market from today, because most of the traders, when you go to the classes, they teach you rules. Rules are rules without action. So if you take action, you're gonna make money. So check. So if they said if you can identify a double top or a double bottom on a bigger time frame, that's a reversal pattern. So it means the market will reverse. So what is it that will make it to not reverse if you identify it on a smaller time frame? So now I'm looking at H1. I see a double bottom here. I see a double bottom here. So when I arrive in the market around 2:30 UTC plus 2, because I killed US30 in the morning, and then around 2:30 UTC plus 2, I identify a double bottom. Due to that, I seen that I got the last bullish candlestick. So I just noticed that obviously this is a double bottom. It means here I have a strong support. So I did a simple thing. You don't need to identify a lot of things. I just did this as my support. Obviously, if I have something like this, I'm gonna put my stop loss here. But then when you're gonna create a trend here, it means your stop loss won't be here. There's no need for you to put a long stop loss because you're not actually protecting your account. You are killing your account. So what I did is that I seen that here I don't see this pattern well. I went for M30. So when I'm on M30, I can see that no, I can see this one. It's a double bottom, and then for now it has like two candlestick inside for bullish. So I just created a trend. So in most cases, if you can see a pattern on M15, you need to go and identify it on M30. If you can see it well on M30, we're gonna call it a proper pattern. So you need to read the reversal patterns. So this actually, whatever it's happening here, it's a reversal pattern. So a double bottom, it's a reversal pattern. So once it breaks out, closes outside, you're gonna buy. So I'm not gonna teach you how the book says. I'm gonna teach you from my experience how I trade double bottom. I trade double bottom according to the trend, not according to the neckline. I know the neckline is somewhere here, but then I'm not gonna wait for the neckline because the market makers already knows the neckline. So I'm gonna create a trend from this point to this point. So remember the trend rules. You wait for breakout. When the candles close outside, it shows that we're gonna move up. So this one, it closed outside, we entered a buy. So the only loss which you're gonna see here, this one is actually entry without no loss. The only loss which you're gonna see here is when the market reverses for a little while and then it's gonna go up. So when it goes up, obviously you need to put your stop loss here, and then you're gonna put your TP here on the resistance. Okay, I'm identifying this one as a resistance because the market touched here and gave me a tail. I can say it's a tail, And then even here you can put your TP, even here you can put your TP. But the good advice is that put on the first tail, because we don't know how will the market react. So if you can identify this double bottom on an M5, use the M5 rule. Remember the resistance should be on M5. Because if you start using the H1 resistance while you identified it on M5, it won't respect it until H5. Remember, M5 will never control what is this? It will never control H1. H1 is the one which controls M1. So nonetheless, like I said, when you scalp, you need to identify little things, reversal patterns are the best, reversal patterns are the best. Once you've seen a reversal pattern like this, you just create your support, so if you want to enter here, I always like entering here because I'm gonna put my stop loss here. If it hits my stop loss, I'm not gonna lose a lot of money, but then if it hits, I'm gonna enter again because I just identify a double bottom. So, but to be safer, you enter when the market breaks out. So when the market breaks out, it's going to reverse for a little while, and then once it reverses for a little while, you just have to be patient with it. Once it pop up, you're gonna go up for a while, you're gonna go up for a while. It's gonna be a beautiful ride, you see these two candlesticks, these bearish candlesticks, sometimes they are not even there, depending on the momentum of the market and where exactly the market is going. If we own a bullish momentum, the market won't even give you these two candlesticks. But then if you were monitoring it on H1, if you're monitoring it on H1, you see, you're gonna see like bigger candlestick, beautiful ones, so that's how it is, that's how the market is. So as I said, I'm not here to talk a lot of things. I'm here to talk about how to scalp the market. So this is how you scalp the market. The bigger thing is to lock your profit, but then where the market will reverse, that's where you exit. That's where you exit. So the market might go back to retest from this trend, and after it's coming up to break the resistance. So that's how the market it is. If you want to scalp the market, take the bigger rules, take the bigger rules from the bigger time frame to the smaller time frame, and then respect them like a smaller time frame. Don't do them like it's a daily time frame. It won't do that. So that's how the market it is. That's how the market it is, guys. If you want to kill the market, if you want to scalp the market, identify little things like double bottom, double top, head and shoulder, even head and shoulder. Those are reversal patterns. If you want a bigger momentum, you can create a continuation patterns. So if you see them on a smaller time frame, remember, guys, if it breaks outside and closes outside, you enter immediately. You won't see a big losses, which you see in your mentors. So time relationship, most of the people, they don't know about time relationship. Let's say the market breaks out and then it's about to be I can say 1:30 UTC plus 2, so the market is about to break out, so it is left by 1 minute. You can't wait for it to actually be 3:30 UTC plus C, UTC plus 2. You can't wait for that. You need to wait. You need to actually enter immediately, because once the market closes, it's gonna come back to the point that you entered. That's what I have realized about the market. So in the market, you don't need a lot of things. When you're scalping, you just need small things. That gives you it can be reversal or continuation. So if you can backtest whatever I told you here, you're gonna get it right. You're gonna see, okay, fine, I can make a lot of money from scalping the market. You can make a lot of money. I don't want to lie from you. If you can put approximately 10k or 5k from this point to this point, today I put like approximately 4.5. I made like 26,000 when it arrives here. So you can make more than that if you invest a lot. That's scalping. That's scalping. So in South Africa, we have a lot of scalpers than swing traders, and which is I don't like. But then the point is that we all making money. So nonetheless, that's how it is. So this is Nasdaq. So these are the smaller things that you need to identify. So guys, in this channel, I'm gonna show you analysis. I'm gonna have to show you analysis. So I'm gonna be like too private with some strategies. I'm gonna be private with some strategies because I just show you guys my strategy that I don't use neckline, I use a trade. So most of the people, when they get here, they're gonna capture it and they're gonna use it and they're gonna kill the market. But nonetheless, at least those who didn't know, now they know. Smart Trade signing out.